Hi everyone, today is a Sunday, and once again today is a day of studying, so I'm gonna get ready. My skin update, I have a little scarring, but other than that I don't really have like breakouts anymore, which is good. First, and then Podge wants to come in. So on top of that, I changed my moisturizer because I felt like the one that I was using was not helping me at all. So I went back to Physiogel. It's a very lightweight, normal standard moisturizer. So I'm all dressed. So let's pack my bag and let's get going. On my way to get my vaccination. I woke up at 7. It's 8:30. I have to get there by 9. So hustling, you know? I am fully, well no, not fully. Got my first round of vaccination done. Didn't hurt. Let me, ta-da! Hi everyone. Today is July 27th? 8th? It's a, wait, let me check. Today is July 27th and today is a very, very exciting day because I've got my first MacBook. So basically, the reason why I changed my computer was because my video editing program, which I use Premiere Pro, it stopped working on my normal laptop that I used to have. So because of that, I did need to get a new computer, but I didn't really know what to get. But I ended up getting a MacBook Pro 13-inch with the M1 chip. So yeah, I got my MacBook. I used to have a MacBook. I used to have it when I was back in like middle school, high school. The school gave us like individual MacBooks to use for assignments and stuff. And so I did use the MacBook Air for a couple years, but then after I came back from India, I basically used all Samsung. I changed my computer once, but still it was another Samsung one, and then now I think that's kind of getting old, hence why it's not working well. So my computer, my new MacBook, came today. I'm very, very excited because I've kind of missed having a MacBook. To be honest, there's just something about the MacBook that makes it look very aesthetically pleasing, if I would say. So I got it here and we're gonna unbox it together because I am that excited. Podgy, you need to move. Sorry. But I would say one of the reasons why getting a MacBook is a little annoying is that you have to buy individual hubs for the USB slots, because that also, it's kind of expensive. If you're a person, like if you're a student and you're trying to pay off the MacBook alone, it's a lot of money. So that would be the one thing I would say that, oh, are you okay? Are you okay? You bumped his head. Are you okay? So I guess that would be one of the cons of having a MacBook. Why do you keep coming onto me, my little doggy? Okay. I need some hubs, but my boyfriend says that he has it from when he was going to buy a MacBook, but he cancelled. So I think I'm just gonna get the hub from him. Thank you, by the way, if you're watching this. Oh, very, very aesthetically pleasing box. Ooh. Oh fuck. Okay. I got it in silver and it's looking beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I should buy a case for this just in case it scratches. Ooh, hello to you too. Okay, so I'm gonna install everything, get everything that I need. Okay, I need to do this, so see you. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I feel like this video, I mean, if it goes the way that I am planning it to be, like this video is just a montage of some days that I wanted to film just all mushed in together over the span of a month or so. I just woke up from a nap, so if I look horrible, that is the reason why. No, but I wanted to film like a little intro or a little clip because today I got my second round of Pfizer vaccination done. If you can see here, it's my second time, so now I'm fully vaxxed. But then a lot of my friends on Insta were asking me like how I'm feeling, like if it's okay. The first time I got vaxxed, it was 3 weeks ago. I was out, it was on a Saturday, but I went out both Saturday and Sunday. I met my boyfriend both days. I did have muscle pains in a way that I could not lift my arm up. It was swollen, but it wasn't anything major. I did feel a little sick, but it wasn't that bad. I feel like I had a mild fever, but I took like 2 Tylenols. That was it. And then it passed pretty fast. It wasn't a really discomforting sense of feeling. But yeah, so today I went to get my second round. Apparently it hurts more and the after effect is more stronger than the first time you get it done. It's weird also because the muscle pains from my first one, they came after, like the day after I got the vaccination. But this time, like, I came home around 10ish. It's been 3 hours and I'm starting to get muscle pains already. Today I am going out to meet my boyfriend. We're going to a pet fair. So I feel like this pet fair was a plan that we said that we were gonna go to like beforehand, but then we completely forgot that I was gonna get vaccinated today. And normally you're supposed to like rest and everything, but for the sake of our dogs, we decided to still go. I wanted to give you updates on how I'm feeling because a lot of people were wondering how it was. Like, even like I can move my forearm, but my what to call it, this part of the arm is very hard for me to move because it's a little painful. And I do feel a little feverish, so I'm gonna take a box of Tylenol. And then I'm not gonna film throughout the day because I don't like to film when I'm with my boyfriend. So after I get home and in the afternoon, I'll tell you guys how I've been dealing for the day. Hey guys, I wanted to give you guys an update. So Saturday it was okay. I told you guys, only my arm hurt. There was nothing wrong. Yeah, everything was fine. But then yesterday on a Sunday, the day after my vaccination, I was so dead. Like, I had a mild fever running, my body ached. It was like my body was sweating, but it was so cold at the same time that lasted the whole day. So I took 2 Tylenols in the morning. No, I took 2 Tylenols on Saturday night before I slept. I took another 2 yesterday morning, and I had to take another 2 before I went to bed. And today I'm feeling okay. It's not as bad as yesterday, but I am feeling a bit icky. Like, I'm still, like, my body is constantly heating up, but then it's like cold. But I feel like after today it'll go back to normal. But yesterday was kind of a bad day. So for those who have their second vaccination upcoming, just get some rest. I think that the mistake that I made was that I should have stayed home on Saturday, just took it easy and rest, but I didn't. So maybe that's why it hit me hard yesterday. But yeah, it's true that the second vaccination is a bit more hard on you. So everyone get your vaccinations and rest. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.